Hey guys, this is a video about Canada Custom Goal Horns. So, like, can explain? Everyone, tell me, why is there dislikes on some of the Canada Custom Goal Horns videos? Like on this one, there's 8 dislikes. This is like, everyone, can you explain me why was there dislikes on Canada Custom Goal Horns? Because I'm not really sure. Is it because they don't like Canada Custom Goal Horns or what? I am not sure why there are so many dislikes. Can someone tell me in the comments why they're disliked? Why the Arizona, why there are dislikes of the Canada Custom, some dislikes of the Canada Custom Goal Horns? Well, some of them do, but most of them don't. This one has many dislikes. This one has 8 dislikes. This one has 1 dislike. This one has 0 dislikes. This one also has 8 dislikes. There are more dislikes. Everyone, tell me in the comments why Canada Custom Goal Horns has dislikes on this video and this video. Because I am not sure what is going on with the dislikes on Canada Custom Goal Horns channel. Anyways, I will see you in the next video. Bye. Peace out.